So in this section, we will be going over what we refer to in futures and forex trading as wick fills. So in this example, you see that we have a downtrend happening here, correct? We then find a support because there was a bearish candle and then a bullish candle creating a support. Now we had three bullish candles that ticked up. But as we know with candle anatomy, because there was no wick on the top, this next candle had no pressure to push upwards. So we then came back down to retest this support. We got a candle to finally close below said support. And this candle left a big wick to fill. Now, oftentimes, you know that we're looking to the left for a clean range to target to the next zone, right? But as a advanced trader, I know that if the next candle opens up, right, gives me a wick up to retest the broken support, that my first target is this wick. Because there was obviously something over here that caused a rejection in this zone. So yeah, my zone from this support to this support may be, let's call it 80 pips, right? But I would be a fool to not take advantage of my first target of, let's call it 40 pips in the wick fill. At that point, I can take off, let's say, 50% of my position, move my stop loss into profits or at break even, and let the next candles run down towards the next, and let the next candles run down towards the next support. So ultimately, we're targeting this wick before we're targeting this support because there was a rejection that caused a holdup in price at this area. We got a clean retest of the most recently broken support. We would have kept a stop loss likely above this candle, but you could keep it above this candle as an even more conservative stop loss. Once this candle flips, you could take an entry on the re-break of its own low, anticipating price to at least fill this wick. And if we're in a time of volume, meaning 8 o'clock, 8:20, 8:30, or 9:30, we are expecting these next few candles to go ahead and fill the rest of the range. And that is how you take advantage of a wick fill.